What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to our channel, Audience with us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, we are going to be transforming this bed, as you can see, and I'm going to be showing you all the bed just in a minute. So make sure stay to the end of the video. So now, as you can see, this is the before, this is how the bed look like, and we are going to be transforming it into a tufted bed. And the first thing that I'm going to be doing is leveling those parts that you see. You can see that it has some designs, it has some knobs on top of it. I'm going to be cutting them and doing some adjustment on it so that I can work on it. And then I'm going to be putting or nailing a plywood on it and then make the design or the pattern. So this is how the bed turned out after putting this adjustment layer that I'm showing you at the back, and also nailing down a 3mm plywood on it. And then after that, I did attach this 2-inch foam on it using a contact glue, and I did draw the patterns and made those holes that you see for the tufting job. If you want to know more about tufting, you can just comment down below or request for a video, a full tutorial on how to do this tufting, or rather you can just visit our channel, because I've done a lot of videos on how I usually do this tufting using these buttons that you see. And I usually use this big needle to do the tufting. So there are many videos that I've done on how to do this tufting. So you can just learn from the videos, or you can just request another video. So this is the lower side of the bed. We are going to be doing the same design on it as the headboard, and this is how I usually do using this nail and the strings. And I'm going to be doing the tufting, and I'm going to be showing you how I usually do, and that is how, as you can see on the screen, that is how I did. After passing through the strings through the holes, I did staple them at the back using a staple gun, and the staple pins that I usually use during this DIYs, this staple gun. So if you've been following our job or our videos, you will understand what I'm talking about, or you can just visit our channel, because we have a variety of videos on how I usually do this job. I usually explain everything. And for today's video, I'm just going to be showing you some clips on what we did on this bed. As I told you, it's a tufted bed, and yeah, I'm going to be showing you some small clips on how we did the job. As you can see, I'm halfway making the headboard, and this is how it turned out. So I'm just going to be showing you all the end products of every step that I've done during this transformation. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them, commenting on them, and sharing. We do appreciate. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, I feel much welcome in our channel. Feel free to comment, like our videos, comment on them. You can also visit our channel, watch more of our content, because we have a variety of videos. We have a transformation videos, makeover videos, DIYs, and many more videos that I'm sure you will enjoy watching them. So I'm just showing you how I'm going to be covering the headboard. So I've just shown you I'm going to be covering the legs for the old headboard, and using this fabric I'm going to be covering that lower part there. And then I'm going to be showing you. After that, I was going to be doing the same tufting on this lower side. As you can see, we have already prepared the lower side, and I'm using the same fabric. I'm going to be doing the tufting, and these are the buttons that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the same buttons, the same staple gun, and this is the same needle that I'm going to be using during this process. So I just want to appreciate you all for always watching my videos, liking them, and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support for these jobs that I usually do. That is the big support that I really need you guys watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them, sharing on them, watching the ads that usually run in between the videos. Yeah, that is the support that I really need from you guys. Continue supporting me by watching our videos. And if you want this job to be done on your bed, that is it. If you don't know how to do it, you can just comment down there and I'll give you my number. You can contact me so that we can do this transformation on your bed. And now here I'm just showing you I'm done doing the tufting on the lower side of the bed, and after doing that, this is how it looks now. Yeah, as you can see, great finishing. And what is remaining for us is to do the final touches, that is covering the back of the headboard, also covering the inner part of the lower side of the bed. As you can see, yeah, we have already covered the headboard using this black fabric, it's called lining. Yeah, we usually cover the back of the headboard, and I'm going to be covering also this one as I've told you already, and I'm going to be using that fabric to cover the inner part of the headboard, of the lower side of the head of the bed. Anyway, if you have watched this video till this far and you haven't liked it, kindly do so. Like the video, comment on it, tell me what you think about the whole process of transforming the bed. Tell me what you think about my videos, comment on them, anything that you wish. Like it, share with your friends and family. And finally, after the hassle of transforming or modifying the bed, this is what we came up with. This is how the bed turned out. The client was very happy. We transformed their bed. Yeah, tell me what you think about the whole process, and thank you so much.